Good morning, student. For learning the organic chemistry, we must have to know about how we have to give the name for the organic compound. For that, there is need to follow some rules. So today I'm going to tell about some rules that help for giving the name for the any organic compound. Okay, as I have written here rules for nomenclature organic compound that you can see here. For that one, there is 3 parameter that we have to follow. One is your prefix, second one is your word root, third one is your suffix. As I told about prefix, so firstly we must have to know about what is a prefix. Prefix means substituent. That I have written here. This one you can see prefix, that is substituent. Substituent may simply you can take halogens and alkyl group. मैम सम स्टूडेंट कंफ्यूज मैडम सब्सिट्यूएंट कौन सा होता है. यहाँ पे हेलोजन दैट आई हैव रिटन, हेलोजेंस मीन्स those element which has 7 valence electrons balanced shell. Got it? So you just have to assume that one, consider that one as a substituent. Alkyl group में as you can know, alkyl group कैसे बनता है? Whenever you have to remove one hydrogen from the alkane and there will be a formation of the alkyl group. Getting? So any alkyl group and any halogen you have to consider that one as a substituent, and that you can consider as a prefix. Okay, so this is your prefix. Okay, so first parameter I explained to you. Now come on the second one, that is your word root. Word root tell about the number of carbon atoms that are present in our parent chain. हमारे पास बेटा कोई भी हमारे पास organic compound दिया होता है. In that one you just have to find in that organic compound how many number of carbon atom in the chain में कितने number of carbon atom आ रहे हैं, वो हमें word root के बारे में बताते हैं. अभी word root की बात करें, if there will be a one carbon in your chain, then that at that time you have to use a word root that is a meth. If there will be a 2 carbon, then we have to use the word eth. Same like that for the 3,1 prop, for the 4,1 but, and for the 5,1 pent. So as so on we have to go. Got it? So word root बेटा हमें simple number of carbon atom को explain करता है parent chain में. Okay. Now come on the next one, suffix. Suffix की बात करें, so we have to classify your suffix into 2 categories. First your primary suffix, second one is your secondary suffix. प्राइमरी सफिक्स की बात करें, डेट टेल अबाउट द लिंकेज बिटवीन द कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड. प्राइमरी सफिक्स हमें क्या बताता है, कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड में किस तरह की लिंकेज एग्जिस्ट कर रही है. इफ देयर इज अ सिंगल बॉन्ड present between the 2 carbon, then you have to use a primary suffix that is a ane. If there will be a double bond between the 2 carbon, then primary suffix will be alkene. If there will be a triple bond between the 2 carbon, then primary suffix will be alkyne. Got it? So simply you can say सिंगल बॉन्ड रिप्रेजेंट करता है एल्कोइन को, डबल बॉन्ड रिप्रेजेंट करेगा एल्कीन को, और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड हमें रिप्रेजेंट करेगा एल्काइन को. ओके, नाउ कम ऑन द लास्ट वन, दैट इज द सेकेंडरी सफिक्स. सेकेंडरी सफिक्स टेल्स अबाउट द फंक्शनल ग्रुप. आई थिंक you already are familiar with in this word functional group. फंक्शनल ग्रुप कोई भी हमारा मॉलिक्यूल्स होता है, उसकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज को एक्सप्लेन करे, दैट इज योर फंक्शनल ग्रुप. गॉट इट? सो 10th स्टैंडर्ड में आपने पढ़ा है बेटा, वेरियस फंक्शनल ग्रुप वी हैव लाइक दैट अल्कोहल, एल्डिहाइड, एसिड, एस्टर. These all are the functional group. So that are act as your secondary suffix in the nomenclature of the organic compound. So today I have explained these parameters. Now in my next class I will explain how you have to implement that one for the organic compound. Okay, so मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you to all of you.